everybody, it's Stephanie the librarian here. I'm going to show you how to install and use Screencastify. So if you have never used Screencastify, it is a Chrome extension. Chrome extensions are mini programs that are attached to your Google Chrome profile rather than being stored on your computer. So this way, whenever you are signed into Google Chrome, you have access to your extension. So I'm going to show you how to install it and use it. I am currently using Screencastify. And the reason I love it is because when you make a video, it saves to your Google Drive. If you use other screen recording things, tools, they may save to their company's website where they belong. The videos belong to that company, not to you. So you can see right now, here is my screen. You can see me down here in the bottom. So that is what a screencast is. A screencast is when you're recording your screen and yourself at the same time. So this is my PFISD Google account. I have it here, Chrome account. So I can see when I click on my face, here's stephanie.galvanrussell at pfisd.net. So I know that this is my Chrome account for PFISD. So what I'm going to do is open up a new tab. And when you open the new tab, you're going to notice all these things, right? You've got Google, you've got your most recent links, you've got your gray waffle. This is called your waffle in the top right. And then your colorful waffle is up here in the left. You're going to click on the colorful waffle that says apps, and this is going to take you to your Chrome apps. Here, I'm going to click on Web Store. Okay. So real quick, once again, I opened a new tab. I went to my colorful waffle on the top left, and I'm going to Chrome Web Store. Now, when I'm in the web store, I'm going to search for Screencastify, and it should come up here in your searches. If it doesn't, it's spelled like it sounds, Screencastify. Right? There we go, and it should be the first thing that pops up. So now I'm going to click on it and click on Add to Chrome. Now it's going to ask you a few questions. Do I want to add it to my Chrome? I'm going to say yes, and it's going to add itself to my Chrome. So you're going to see it says it's added up here to my other Chrome extensions, but watch what happens when I click away. It goes away. So if that happens, you're going to click on this little puzzle piece and then pin Screencastify. The reason that goes away is because Chrome wanted to make more space up there, and so they decided to put that puzzle piece that eats your extension so that they hide. So you can just pin it so it stays there. When you're ready to create your first screencast, you're going to click on that little pink arrow that has a camera in it up here, and it's Screencastify. So it's going to ask you to allow it to work. So the first thing it's going to do, it's going to give you a walkthrough of how to use Screencastify, how to load it up. It's going to tell you the 3 different ways to make a screencast. There's 3 ways. You can record your browser tab, your desktop, or just a webcam. The one I'm doing right now is my desktop. This is what I recommend doing all the time. That way you don't have any issues. If you record a browser tab, it's only going to record the one tab. This is useful if you're scripting. So if you've got a script on one tab and what you're showing in another, that's useful. You can do that because it's only going to show what's on the one tab. Desktop records everything that you can see on your screen. Webcam only is just a webcam. It's only going to record what this camera sees. Okay. Here's how you're going to walk through it. It's also got tools. So if you're making a screencast for your students, you can write on it while you're recording. And then how to end your recording. So I'm going to do a quick demo for you. Okay. And then it saves your recordings to your Google Drive. All right. So if I wanted to make a new recording, I'm just going to open a new tab so that I have a fresh screen. I'm going to click on Screencastify, and it tells me there's a 5-minute limit per video. If you're using the free version, you only get 5 minutes. If you choose to buy it, it's like $29 for a year. I buy it because they're a great company. I've worked with them before. They do a lot for schools and teachers. So I buy it just so that I can have the unlimited versions of videos. But if you don't want to, that's fine. 5 minutes is really all you need. Okay, so I'm going to click on Browser tab just because I just want to show you how to do this. Okay. So I'm going to tell it, choose this microphone, and I'm not going to embed my webcam because I'm already using it and I don't want to overload my computer. So next, I'm going to set up my tab recording, saying, do you want to allow it? Yep. And it may not work because I'm already recording. Nope. Okay. When it is done, when you're done recording, Yeah, it's not letting me do it because I'm already recording with Screencastify in another Chrome. But when you're done, you'll click stop, and then it'll already take you straight to where your videos are. If you forget, when you click on Screencastify up here in your Chrome bookmarks bar, if you click on this double play button, it's going to show you all the videos you've created with Screencastify. So the book talk for this week is Warcross. I can click on it and I can change my settings. So you can change the title of it. I can see how many people have viewed it. That's new. I can edit it. We're not going to get into that now, but if you want me to, I will make a video on how to use the editor later. Make sure that here you change this to be anyone with the link can view, not anyone in my organization. Let me say that again. Make sure you change this to anyone with the link, because when we're doing virtual open house, teachers or parents will not be in our organization. Okay, then I'm going to click save, and you're going to copy the watch page link. That link that I just copied, if you want to be real fancy, you can paste it in a new tab so you don't lose it. But this link is what you're going to email to me so that I can put it in the massive presentation that's going to have all our videos in it. So once again, we finished our video. We went to see what it looks like when it's over. We changed the title. We changed it to anyone with the link, and we copy the watch page link. And what are you going to do with that? You're going to share it with me, stephanie.galvanrussell@pfisd.net. You can also share it via the drive button here. Make sure that you put it again to anyone with the link can view. Let me move my face. Here it is, public. And then you can share it, copy the drive link there. But the copy the watch page link is going to be exactly what I want. All right. If you have any questions, feel free to email me or come see me in the library, and I'll be happy to help you. Bye.